Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 15th of September 2022 in Shanghai, China. Tens of millions of people across swaths of eastern China braced for floods, torrential rains, and towering waves as the most powerful typhoon of the season so far made landfall and headed toward the densely populated city of Shanghai. The typhoon landed on the coast near the archipelago of Zhoushan after authorities in China's eastern province ordered ships to return to port, shuttered schools, and evacuated tourists from nearby islands. The typhoon brought strong winds of nearly 160 kilometers per hour. The winds were likely to last for several hours, as well as significant accumulated rainfall, and the risk of disaster was high. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.